This is question 37 from your textbook, page 38. In this question, gross margin percent, and expenses are given. And the question is asking for a skeletal P&L statement. So in this case, again, gross margin and gross margin percentage are given. So you can start with calculating net sales, which will be equal to dollar gross margin divided by gross margin percent. So when you do that, 535,000 divided by 25%, the net sales amount will come out to be $2,140,000. So here 2140000. Net sales percentage is always 100%. Next is to calculate total cost of goods sold. So total cost of goods sold in this case will be equal to net sales minus gross margin dollar, which will be equal to 2,140,000 minus $535,000. And this will come out to be $1,605,000. So that goes here under total cost of goods sold, 1,605,000. Now in this question you would notice that gross margin is actually less than operating expenses. That means company actually spent more on operating expenses than the money they made by selling the goods. When gross margin is less than operating expenses, you can expect a negative number here, and this would indicate that there were actually losses instead of profit. So you can go ahead and calculate gross margin minus expenses will be equal to net profit or loss. So in this case, net loss will be equal to gross margin minus operating expense dollars, and this will come out to minus $40,000. So now you have all the factors done for dollar column. Now percentages can be calculated using the corresponding percentage formula. For example, total cost of goods sold percentage is equal to total cost of goods sold dollar divided by net sales dollar. Similarly, operating expense percentage is equal to operating expense dollar divided by net sales dollar. And here loss percent will be equal to loss dollar divided by net sales dollar. So you'll get total cost of goods sold percentage when you divide $1,605,000 by $2,140,000. Total cost of goods sold will come out to be 75%. Operating expenses, when using this formula of operating expense dollar divided by net sales dollar, will come out to be 26.87%, and then loss percent will come out to be minus 1.87%. This minus sign indicates that there was loss in the business, and this completes the skeletal P&L statement.